All right, this is our main kitchen. Classic old wood stove. Baking. Main bathroom. Fridges. Back pantry. Come in, main sitting room. Another propane stove. Nice high ceilings. Okay. Great view. Alright. Another wood stove. Piano comes with it. Beautiful high ceilings. And this can be a separate bathroom with a separate entrance. Great view of the ocean, lake. .300-degree view. Great for Airbnb or short-term rental. And this door can block off this door, whichever way you want. Another bedroom here with skylights. Great view. All right. This is upstairs. We have another bedroom. Be great for short-term rental. Its own bathroom. It's a full bathroom. Great view. And this was the other bedroom we were in. Just to show you. And another bedroom, so you can rent out bedrooms, or you can rent out the whole upper floor, whichever you want. And then this is another big bedroom, its own bathroom, ensuite. Here with all the space, great views, great floor size. All right, and then another great bedroom. Now you can use this as an Airbnb, short-term rental, whichever you want. Full bathroom, minus tub. And view here, there's hiking there, trails, surfing. All right. Now we're gonna go down to the basement unit. Okay, so